Good afternoon, children. Today we will start lesson number 14, how big, how heavy. Okay, now in this chapter we are going to learn volume. So what is volume first of all? So the volume of a solid is the amount of space enclosed by it or the amount of space it takes up. Means whatever the amount of space is take to enclose it, okay, that is called volume. Okay, the space of the amount of space enclosed by 1 centimeter cube is used as a unit for measuring volume. If you want to measure the volume, then you have to take 1 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the value of it, or this is the unit which we have to use it. Okay, now any box you are having, okay, so how many cubes you are going to put, you have to decide it. Now volume equals to length into breadth into height. Now volume of cuboid. Now in this also there is a cube and there is a cuboid. Now cuboid means what? It is having length, breadth and height. Three things it is there. One is length, breadth and height. Okay. And what is the volume of cube? So that is side multiplied by side multiplied by side, or you can say side cube. Okay. Means it is having all three sides are equal. Now there is 1 cubic centimeter. We will read it CUCM, that is cubic centimeter. It is read out as 1 cubic centimeter. Now we will start the exercise 14.1. So question number 1, find the volume of each solid and write the unit with your answer. Now we have to find out the volume. So there is a length is given 12 centimeter, breadth is given 12 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So first of all we will write down the formula that volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. Now what is length? That is 12 centimeter. Okay, multiply by 12 centimeter multiply by 10 centimeter. Okay, now 12 12s are 144. 144 multiplied by 10 equals to 1414. 40. Now cubes, here we will use this because 3 times the centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So we will use cube centimeter. Okay. Now we will go to number 2. Number 2 is length equals to 2.1 centimeter, breadth equals to 5 centimeter and height equals to 1.2 centimeter. So volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. Now length is how much? So 2.1 centimeter. Okay, breadth is 5 centimeter and height is 1.2 centimeter. Now here decimal is given, so we will remove the decimal like this. Now in this cancellation is possible. Yes, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So what is left? That is 21 multiplied by 6 upon 10. Okay. Now 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So 126 upon 12 equals to, answer is 12. Here 10 will come. Okay, 126 upon 10. Now 10 is there in denominator, so we will directly convert into decimal. 0 is there, so 1 point. After decimal, 1 digit only will come. Okay, so the answer is 12.6 cube centimeter. Number 3, length equals to 3.8 centimeter, breadth equals to 2 centimeter and height equals to 5 centimeter. So volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. Now the length is 3.8 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. Okay. Now here we can do multiplication directly. 5 twos are 10 and 10 multiplied by 3.8. Okay. So here multiplication is there. Directly we will move the decimal. So the answer will come 38 cube centimeter. Okay. Now number 4, length equals to 1.2 centimeter, breadth equals to 1.2 centimeter and height equals to 1.12 centimeter. So volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. Now here we have to put, so 1.2 centimeter multiply by 1.2 centimeter multiply by 1.2 centimeter. Now here we have to do multiplication of this. Okay. Now first simply we will multiply 12 multiplied by 12 is 144 and 144 multiplied by 12 is 1728. Now here after decimal 1 digit, here after decimal 1 digit, here after decimal 1 digit. So 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So we will keep 1, 2 and 3. So here it will come. So 1.728 cube centimeter. Okay. Now we will go to question number 2. Question number 2 is find So what we have to find here, length is given, breadth and height. So definitely we have to find out the volume of cube. So formula is volume of cube equals to L into B into H. Okay. Now length is 4 centimeter, multiply by 2 centimeter, multiply by 3 centimeter. So 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are what it will be? So 24 cube centimeter. Okay. Now number 2. L equals to 3 centimeter, breadth equals to 0.05 centimeter, height equals to 4 centimeter. So volume of cuboid equals to L into B into H. So 3 centimeter multiply by 0.05 centimeter and multiply by 4 centimeter. Okay. Now here what we will do? We have to multiply this all. So 3 5s. Here we can take 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. 60 upon 100. Why we have kept 100? Because here decimal we will remove, then 100 will come. Okay. Now we have to convert this into decimal. So 1 2. So 1 and 2 answer will be 0.60 you can say, or you can say 0.6 cube centimeter. Now number 3. L equals to 10 centimeter, breadth equals to 2.6 centimeter and height equals to 2 centimeter. So volume of cuboid equals to LBH you can say. Okay. So 10 centimeter multiply by 2.6 centimeter multiply by 2 centimeter. Okay. So we will multiply 10 multiply by 26 will be 260. Now 260 multiply by 2 you will do. Then you will get our answer is what? 520. Now here one decimal is there, so here it will come. So you can write directly, that is 52 cube centimeter. Now number 4, L equals to 1.2 centimeter, B equals to 0.8 centimeter and H equals to 5 centimeter. So volume of cuboid equals to LBH. Now length is how much? So 1.2 centimeter multiply by 0.8 centimeter multiply by 5 centimeter. Okay, now we will multiply. Simply we will remove the decimal and we will multiply. So 12 5s are 60 and 60 5s will be 480. Upon 100 we will write, because here 10 will come and here 10 will come. So 10 10s are 100. Okay. Now two zeros are there, so 2 decimals will come. So the answer is 4.8 cube centimeter. Okay. Now number 5. Number 5, L equals to 5 meter, B equals to 1.5 meter and height equals to 1.2 meter. So volume of cuboid equals to LBH. Now we will write length is 5 meter, then 1.5 meter and 1.2 meter. Okay. Now we have to do multiplication, that 5 multiplied by 15. We will right now forget the decimal and we will multiply. 15 5s are 75 and 75 12s will be 900. So 900 upon 100 will come, because here 10 is there and here 10 is there. So 10 10s are 100. Now 2 zeros we can directly cancel, 1 and 2. So the answer is 9 cube meter. Okay, meter will come. Thank you.